Okay, Larry here from lcivarella.com and helpmelc.com. The Windows 10 login has been annoying me, so I switched over to log in with a PIN number. Now every time I reboot, my keypad's turned off, my number key, so I gotta start the number keypad, then type in the PIN. So I looked up a registry hack, and I'm going to show it to y'all. Go down to your search window and type in regedit, R-E-G, edit. We're going into the registry editor. User access control, you say yes. Okay, what we want to go into here is the HKey users. I'm going to drill down into there, then default. Then we're going to go to control panel, down to keyboard. This registry initial keyboard indicators, we want to change this value to 3650. So we're going to right click on there, modify. Just change the last two to 50. Say OK. Get out of there. Next time we reboot the machine, our keypad will be on, and we don't have to take that extra step to turn the keypad on to put the PIN in to log into Windows 10. Hope you enjoyed the tip. We'll talk to you later. It's Larry from lcivarella.com and helpmelc.com.